Now a short video tutorial showing how to manage election graphics with a ClassX solution. In this current example, you can see a project of graphics templates created for Italian and Spanish elections, loaded into Liveboard, the ClassX graphic playout software. The Liveboard interface is composed of various panels, where it is possible, for example, to view the playout, see the preview of individual contents, edit contents, and manage the connected external data sources. It is also possible to preview the graphic by changing the external data before sending the content on air. Even when already on air, it is still possible to change the shown data on the fly. Let's now open a graphic template and see how it's built inside. Each graphic content has its own timeline, and the histograms in this template are vector objects having a maximum size that will vary according to the connected data source. The 5 couples of histograms of this template are vector graphic objects created and animated entirely in ClassX Castalia CG graphic template editor. In the objects tree, they are grouped. I'm now opening one group to show you how the single objects such as texts and shapes are connected to an external data source. There are objects marked with a small yellow rectangle. This means that this particular element is connected to external data. This is the inbuilt data source editor. It is possible to set the external data from this panel. The data can be inserted in XLS, CSV, etc., and this smart panel will give you a preview of the selected data source. Data source can also be real-time XML or JSON streams. In this example, though, we used an XLS file. For XLS files, for example, you can assign each data to different cells of the file. As you can see, you can also link data in other sheets of the same XLS file. They're previewed in the ClassX data source editor. So let's go back now to the Liveboard project that has several different graphic templates loaded into the contents grid on the lower left side of the user interface. The project has been made to play them out in a specific sequence by using the frame marker template actions. Thank you for your attention by the ClassX team.